do harder work to prove to us that you belong in the team. And tonight, like sabi nga ni Coach Martin, you showed a different level na kung ano yung kaya ni Tor. Maraming salamat. I already expected for you to blow us away with the technical aspect of your performance, but tonight, nung dulong-dulong part, nung inuwi mo, nang nakita ko yung, even yung panginginig ng lalamunan mo, ng daliri mo, I felt you. Tiffany, die! Thank you so much for trusting me. Ito si Tiffany, pag kinakanta niya yung song na to, it's always in a different key. Sabi ko sa kanya, Tiffany, na-hit mo yung notes flawlessly.
I love you.
Notes na yun, na parang hindi mo sila masyadong i-effortan. But, ang challenge ko sa kanya, show me power.